Okay, fourth grade, we're working on mixed number fractions and specifically subtraction. And just a reminder, mixed number is a whole along with a fraction. So for example, 3 1/3 or 4 1/2. That is a... Sometimes we have subtraction problems that work out really, really nicely. Sometimes we have some that don't work out so nicely. So one subtraction problem we can come across is 7 2/3 minus 2 1/3. And where we can start is we can start with these wholes and just subtract the wholes. 7 minus 2 is 5. And then we can subtract these two denominators because we can subtract these two fractions because the denominators are the same. So we do 2/3 minus 1/3. And since these are the same, we're staying thirds. And we have 2/3 minus 1/3 equals 1/3. Okay. That gives us a total of 5 1/3. Sometimes, though, our subtraction isn't that straightforward and that simple. But just like we do in normal subtraction, we can borrow from other numbers. For example, though, if I had 7 1/3 minus 3 2/3, I could not do this because 1/3 minus 2/3 would be a negative number, and we can't do that. We have to make sure this fraction is larger than this one. And the way we do that is we can borrow from the whole. So right here we have 7 wholes, and we can turn that 7 wholes into 6. We have 1 whole, and we pull a whole out. And since we're in thirds, we're going to do 3/3. And in fourth grade, we know that 3/3, 4/4, 2 over 2, 5 over 5, 100 over 100 equals 1. So 3/3 equals 1. So we have 6 wholes plus 1 whole. That is our 7. So now our new number, we can add these two together to get 3/3 plus 1/3 equals 4/3. Our denominator is the same, so we keep that constant. And we have 3 plus 1 equals 4/3. And now our new number, instead of 7 1/3, is now 6 4/3. Now that our fraction is larger on the left than this one, okay, we can do our normal subtraction. We can do subtract our wholes. 6 minus 3 equals 3. And now 4/3 minus 2/3. Our denominator is the same, so we keep that through. We have 4/3 minus 2/3. 4 minus 2 on the top is 2. So we have 4/3 minus 2/3 equals 2/3. And that gives us a new answer of 3 2/3. Okay. And that is how we solve mixed number subtraction problems.